How to rotate a picture using FastStone Image Viewer, just a little bit, a few degrees. So double click on that image, press enter on the keyboard to get it out from full screen. So this is FastStone Image Viewer, and we can rotate it 90 degrees using those two buttons, and it's even lossless for JPEG, but I don't need 90 degrees, which is too much. So let's go here to edit in the menu, edit, rotate, straighten/rotate by any degree. Alt+R is the hotkey. So click on the straighten and another window opens. From this slider you can rotate your picture to the left or to the right, but notice it is also zooming it in and then it's zooming it out. Or you can uncheck this auto crop and then nothing is lost from the picture. Nothing is cropped off, but you gain these white backgrounds, those four. So I will check the auto crop and use, let's say, that much. You can reset the amount of rotation using that X. Now it's back. You can hide these grid lines by clicking on that one. This is showing the grid that is hiding the grid. You can even flip it horizontally. That way it's mirrored. Flip vertically, it's mirroring it that way, and to return, click on any angle. So I need a little bit of rotation, let's say that much. Close it with the OK button. Here in the preview it is rotated. That's the original picture where it's not yet rotated. Now let's go here to File, Save As, to save that picture which was modified. Save As. Ctrl S is the hotkey, and let's call it rotated. Select the format, JPEG or anything else that you want. You can modify even the quality. You can reduce the file size from this one. Currently it's 300 kilobytes. Now it's only 81 kilobytes. So let's just cancel that and leave the original quality and click on the save button. And that's it. The picture was rotated and it was saved as a separate file. That's the original tilted and that's the rotated horizontal picture. So that's how to rotate a picture just a few degrees using FastStone Image Viewer.